Dude, now I tell about arithmetic progression, or it is also known as sequence and series. In this arithmetic progression, I tell how it going to works. Arithmetic progression means you take this number, it starts with 1, 3, 5, 7, like this it keeps on continuing and it ends at number 13. Now you see this one, here all of them it is keep on adding with 2. Here in every number 2 is getting added. So this sequence is known as arithmetic sequence. Any number can get added or any number can get subtracted. Here we're going to get many terms in it. The first term here it is known as a, which is 1, and this one, that is the last term, which is known as an. An is equal to 13 and n is the total number of terms. Here we can find it out how many total number of terms. And now d is the actual difference between them, the second term minus first term or fourth term minus third term. Each difference, what is you going to add, that going to become d. Here you are adding 2, so it going to become plus 2. We have a different formula with it. Here you can know it out whether they are arithmetic progression or not. Now I tell the formula to find them out. That is an means a plus n minus 1 times of d. Now you're going to get an, they have given us 13. Now you get here a, which is the first term is 1, plus n minus 1 means this one. N we don't know, we need to find it out, so write it as n minus 1 times of d, difference here you are adding 2, so it becomes plus 2. This is 13 equal to 1 plus 2 times of n is 2n minus 2 times of 1 is 2. Now 13 becomes equal to minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, so it is 2n minus 1. Now it going to become like this, that is 2n minus 1. You send that minus 1 that side, it becomes 13 plus 1 equal to 2n. Now 14 becomes equal to 2n. This is nothing but 2 times of n. This 2 moves that side, it going to become 14 by 2 equal to n. 2 1 times, 2 7 times. 7 is the total number of terms. There are totally 7 terms here. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth, sixth, and it is the seventh term. Like this, you can find out any term in it. Now let's take this one. Here they are giving 0, 5, 10, 15. Like this, it keeps on continuing. Here they have told that there are totally 10 terms in this number. You need to find out what is the an, that is the required term, that is 10th term. You need to find it out. They have given first term as 0, and you need to find out difference of numbers, that is a2 minus a1. You can write like this, a2 minus a1, or it can be written as 5 minus 0, which remains as 5. So this is going to become, you need to find out what is an. An means the nth term. To find out nth term, you need to take first term and then n minus 1 times of the difference of terms. N minus 1 means all this term. It is 10th term means you need to add 9 times the difference. Here the difference is 5. Here you are adding 5, 5, 5. Like this. Why this going to become n minus this one? A plus n minus 1 times of d means you are adding 1 less than the final term. Here Satoyo high. Here an means here they are giving out 10th term. So this 10th term, to find out, you first take up the first term, that becomes 0, plus n minus 1 means here if there is 10 terms, you need to add d 9 times. If this is second term, you need to add d 1 times. Third term means you need to add d 2 times. And if it is 10th term, it becomes 9 times of d. So it is n minus 1 times of d. Here it is 10 minus 1 times of it, or it is 9 times of it. So a10 equal to 0 plus 10 minus 1 is 9, 9d. 9d means it is nothing but equal to 0 plus, here difference which they have given, we found it out, is 5. So it is 9 times of 5. Now we get it as 0 plus 9 times of 5 is 45. So the 10th term is 45. Now they give one more sequence. In this sequence, here they start with 5, 8 and 11. Like this, they are keep on adding 3 here, and the last term they have given us like this. Last term is 35. Now we need to find out what are the total number of terms. They have given first term is number 5, and they have even given nth term or the last term, that is they have given us 35. And now they have even told we need to find out d means second term minus first term, which is 8 minus 5, which is 3. We are keep on adding 3 here, plus 3 here, and again plus 3 here, like this, plus 3 we going to get 35. Now let's find out how many total number of terms in this series. You can do it out. An can be written as a plus n minus 1 times of d. So here they are giving out an as 35. This first term we got it as 5 plus n minus 1. N we need to find out n minus 1 times of d. Here we found it out as 3. So write it as n minus 1 times of 3. 35 equal to 5 plus, you need to multiply 3 to both these terms of inside bracket. 3 times of n is 3n, and 3 times of minus 1 is minus 3. Now you get it as 35 equal to 5 minus 3, which becomes 2 plus 3n. Now you send this to this side, it becomes 35 minus 2 plus 3n. 33 will be equal to 3n. And now let's take here 3n can be written as 3 times of n. This 3 move that side, it comes in denominator, that is 33 by 3. 3 1 times 3 1 times 3, again 3 1 times 3, n equal to 11. Totally there are 11 terms here. Now you can take another one problem like that. Here in this series they are giving out like this: 2 6 10 14. They are keep on adding 4 here, and you need to find out what is nth term. N they are giving out 15 terms totally. There are totally 15 terms. First term is 2. You need to find out what is the value of an. Now you can even told you can find it out. D means second term minus first term, that is 6 minus 2, which becomes equal to 4. Let's find it out. An can be written as equal to a plus n minus 1 times of d. So this is nothing but equal to, here an means this is the nth term, we need to find it out, or it is a 15th term. There are 15 terms, so it is a 15. First term is 2 plus n, there are totally 15 terms, so it is 15 minus 1 times of d. D we found it out as 4, so 15 minus 1 times of 4. You need to add n minus 1 term to find out 15th term. To first term you need to add d 14 times. To find out fourth term you need to add d 3 times, or fifth term you need to add d 5 times. Fifth term 4 times. So it is n minus 1 times of d. This becomes 2 plus 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 times of 4. This one becomes 2 plus 14 times of 4 is 56. 2 plus 56 is 58. Now this is completely equal to 15th term is 58. Like this, they not only give adding, and even they can give subtracting. One series can run with subtracting number like this, that is 10, 8, 6, like this. Here it keeps on decreasing. Here they are just subtracting minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. You can do it the same formula. D you get negative, and all these terms remains the same. I'll do next problems. Bye.